everyone. I am Dr. Monica Pansari. I am a senior surgical oncologist in Institute of Cancer Sciences and Gleneagles Hospital, Kingeri. Our hospital has got a comprehensive cancer unit where we have medical, surgical and radiation oncology units. Along with that, we do have a bone marrow transplant unit and pediatric oncology unit as well. Today we have gathered here for a huge event called Pink Up the Pace, which is basically organized every year in our hospital in the month of October, which is a breast cancer awareness month. This year we have organized a large running event which started from Rajrajeshwari Nagar to BGS Hospital. More than 1,500 people have participated. The motive of this organizing this awareness campaign is to create awareness about breast cancer. People are still not aware what breast cancer is, what are the risk factors, what are the signs and symptoms, and what are the screening methods to detect the cancer in an early stage. Breast cancer, when people ask me, is it preventable? Yes, around 25 to 30% of breast cancers can be prevented if we take care of all the modifiable risk factors like maintaining healthy lifestyle, being physically active, healthy dietary habits, avoiding alcohol and tobacco. And for females, breastfeeding provides protection against the breast cancer. So this is how we can prevent it. What are the signs and symptoms? Most common symptom which patient present to us is with a lump in the breast. There are various other symptoms like discharge, especially blood-stained discharge from the nipple, thickening of the nipples, thickening of the skin of the breast. These are other symptoms which patient can present to us with. When we come to early detection is the most important key for survival in breast cancer. So how do we detect the cancer early? We need to follow the screening guidelines. Screening guidelines are mainly breast self-examination and mammography. So we recommend breast self-examination to be done should be done by all ladies above the age of 16 to 18 years once in a month, especially a week after their periods. Another very important screening tool is mammography, which we recommend all women above the age of 40 ideally should be undergoing mammography once in a year. This is how we detect the cancer in a very early stage, and early detection always leads to better survival, better outcome, less intensive treatment, and we can offer our patients breast conservation surgery where we don't have to remove their breast, we can preserve the breast, which maintains their emotional and body image much better. This is what I would want to convey to all the women out there, all people out there. Another very important thing which I would want to tell is the theme of breast cancer awareness event which is organized this year. The theme is keeping her in the picture. What does that mean? It means that we have to keep the women, most important women in our life, very important. Keeping her in the picture. To take care of the most important women in our lives, be it male or female, irrespective of the gender, the most important women, you should treat them and make them aware what breast cancer is, how to take care of them, how to go for screening. We have to motivate them to take care of themselves and avoid having breast cancer, and if it happens, to detect it at a very, very early stage. So this is the theme which we have to stick to. Keeping her in the picture. This is what we need to follow. Thank you.